Squids, and welcome back to Rift. Today's mission is capture the flag. I'm going to start my offensive by pushing up the right hand flank. Here I managed to pin my enemy down, which allows my team to push forward to the furthest two flags to try and capture them. I want to carefully make my way up here. I don't want the enemy to know where I am, and hopefully I can get the jump on them. I think the best way for me to do this is to proceed over the 3 mounds in between each bunker. This way I have the cover of a wall in front of me, and as I hop over I can get a bit of spatial awareness and see what is to the left and right.
There's one over at the flag, right at the base of the flag.
So already I've caught 2 players off guard. They obviously didn't know we'd already proceeded quite far up this road. I want to quickly get to that next mound to try and catch more of them off guard. I really like this position. I have cover from my front so the enemy can't see me, but I can see out through the bushes. I have to keep readjusting my position as it's quite slippy and I keep falling down it. That's okay though because I make it work.
Behind the white barrier at the end, mate.
That's over by the flag, yeah?
Yeah.
Roger.
Yeah, by that barrier and that. We've got a flag down our right side.
Yes, there's a flag directly on the right. There's another one there, and one there.
Pushing up.
Where? It didn't touch me, mate. It didn't touch me, honestly.
Not entirely sure how this player missed me from that distance, but his BBs were landing in the concrete next to me. I don't think any of his BBs hit me, or at least I didn't feel any, nor did I hear any bounce off my equipment on my back.
Right, there's about 5 of them just come down that main track.
That guy just shooting you from the left.
Yeah, I don't know how he didn't hit me.
Eventually they got me, but I like that route that I took last time with the cover from the bushes from the front. I'm going to try it again.
What can you see that way? What's that way? Anything? No? Alright.
back, that's vicious. Literally to your 12 o'clock snipers. That is... Marshals and everything.
fucking hell. Ooh. You're quick, my man, you're quick. Oh, yeah, good one, good one.
So that's the end of that round. We're now going to swap sides. Essentially, it's the same rules of the game, I'm just attacking from the other direction. Let's see how this one goes.
Where are we looking?
So you see where the gap is, where the tree is?
Yep.
Just to the right hand side of that, there's a big, thick, dense green bit.
Yeah.
The shield is behind that bush.
Roger.
Just doing nothing. And then if you peek over the hill where he is, on the left hand side, there's one of them alley verges with these things in.
Yeah.
There's a black chair.
Yeah.
There's 2 dudes on that.
Roger. Cheers for that.
So now with a bit of a picture, I can plan what I want to do. For now, I'm going to help hold this mount, as we're quite close to the border of how far we're allowed to push before cornering the enemy at their spawn. One of the players on the enemy team has a shield, so he'll be harder to get, and from what I can tell, he is stopping us advancing on the right hand side. I want to try and take him out. That's my priority.
Got him.
I think he's got if you push up that way.
With the shielded player out our way, our main enemy threat is now down this main corridor. I think what my plan is, I'm going to push out onto this flat plateau and hold the fort. That way I can keep the enemy's heads down while the rest of my team pushes a bit closer to do a bit of CQB down this main route.
Far left! Far left! There's one. It's just gone in behind where them dense bushes are over there. Yeah.
Pull back if you can, please, mate.
There's... Oh,
Turns out we pushed a little bit too far. My team was doing exceptionally well at this point, so we had to give them a little bit of leeway and give them a chance to actually have a go at the game.
Guys and girls, 18 minutes left. Can't lose it, push the reds back. Come on, push up.
is he hit? Yeah. Both of them are down, there's one on the right. Well, all dead.
Jake, as you're walking down there, mate, on the other side.
Unfortunately, the rest of this game ended up being quite bland and boring. The enemy team just couldn't seem to defeat our strong defence line. I had a really fun day and hope you enjoyed viewing my sneaky tactic of using the bushes and the mounds for cover. I thought this was overall very successful and really helped contribute to the strong defence line in which we held. If you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe and then hit the little bell icon to be notified of future uploads. Also, follow my Instagram pages, @HankSepticus and @ErinRowPhoto for behind the scenes footage and awesome airsoft photography. All the love and support will be much appreciated. Thank you everyone for watching. See you in the next one, Squid Squad.